You're not gonna believe where I am. I'm about to pee my pants. I forgot that this is the point of life. Oh, wala ka, piliktot yung dun sa Godzilla versus King Kong, actually dito sa part na to.
Ano ba yan? Video.
3, 2, 1. Would you look at that? Good lang. Sobrang daming tao, Mi. Parang ayoko nang gumalaw.
Video? Done. Hi.
Hindi na siya laandar. Binitbit ko sa hagdan. Paakyat. Akyat niyo naman.
Hindi pa, wait lang.
Matik na po ang bench.
There's a tilas on the ground.
What's a tilas?
It's kinda higad. It's kinda...
My blush on is like so fucked up. We are what, Jimmy?
Happy birthday, Shishi Doggy.
Yep. What's happening, guys?
What about the cheese platter place?
I want to go to my boss spot.
Do you want me to stop and you can Instagram this shit or what?
Yeah, I'm Instagramming. Fortune, but baby, what was that?
Be, hindi ka nakapindot.
Isa, tagalan mo pa.
Saan?
Ano lang, walang salita.
Wala kaming forela, yes.
Ang com-arts wala.
I don't know as well.
Ingatan lang natin yung mga...
Sabi ko, Lord, kasi sinabi ko yung wish ko. Sabi ko, shit, di nga pala to si Lord.
Wait the fuck! God, what a perfect day for me.